Make Money TV Lusaka. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Now listen, what I'm about to say is not professional advice, and I want to talk about the Bitcoin. How is it doing now? If you want professional advice, please go and look for a professional. I'm an MBA candidate. All right. In recent times, Bitcoin has been going down. Like right now, this time, Bitcoin is 19,400. But when you look back, it went down to even 17,000 a few hours ago. Okay, now why is Bitcoin going down? What's going on? I want you people to understand this. All right, I want you people to understand this and understand it real good. Okay, first of all, stocks have been going down. The whole globe is going through a recession. Okay, some people may say, hey, we're not yet in a recession, but all indicators are showing that we're heading towards a recession. All right, now when you look at Bitcoin, the majority of Bitcoin holders are the same people who are the holders of stocks. So what I'm trying to tell you is that the same sharks, the same hedge funds and big companies who invest in stocks, and I mean stocks, American stocks and all the other big stocks around the world, they are the same people who hold a lot of Bitcoin. Meaning that Bitcoin is not in the hands of you and me. No, we are not the holders of Bitcoin. So what you see is that when these guys are struggling with their stocks are going down. You know what they'll do? They'll stop buying Bitcoin because they're not making money. So they stop buying Bitcoin. And if they stop buying Bitcoin, what happens? Bitcoin stops to move. And then their stocks, the values of their stocks are going down. So what do you think they're going to do? They're going to think, the buying power of Bitcoin also is going to reduce. So they start removing their money from Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin's price is tanked. You see what I mean? Now, when you look at the correlation between Bitcoin and stocks, you're going to find that Bitcoin is tanking more than stocks. Because they know that, hey, Bitcoin is a speculative asset. Even if it goes down to 0 and it goes back to 100, who cares? It is extremely volatile. That's what the world knows. But let me tell you something. It's intentionally made extremely volatile because it's more profitable that way. Now you know. So these sharks will force Bitcoin to go down to something really, really small so that they can go back and buy some more, so that they can recover some of the losses that they incurred from their stocks portfolios. So now you see that this whole thing is a game. You are being gamified. You and me are being gamified. Because what's going to happen is that when Bitcoin goes down to like 20,000, 19,000, 15,000, we're all going to be rushing. Hey, I want to buy some more. Yeah, because that's what they want. So that it goes down to some higher value and then they withdraw their profits. They are sharks. Come on, man. That's what they're called. They are sharks. So is Bitcoin going down to 0? Let's see. Let's head on over to the trading view and see if Bitcoin is really going to go down to 0. Okay. All right. So now, okay. Now, as you can see in these charts, Bitcoin is at 19,364 right now. So let me just go and make a line. If I draw a line from where Bitcoin is at right now, here, and I push this line down all the way to somewhere July 2017. Okay, if I draw this line, what this line is showing me is that the lowest low of now is still higher than some lows that we experienced since 2017. You get what I'm saying? Meaning that we are still in the upward trend. Now let me show you something. Suppose, hey, come on, guys, come on. I want this here. here, guys, and I want this here. I want this here. You see what I mean? So over this period of time, as you can see, for us to hit, you know, a dangerous zone, then we have to be somewhere at 7,000. Then we will be lower than this low here, this July 2017 low. You see what I'm saying? So basically Bitcoin is doing fine. There is no problem. I know you've lost 60% of whatever your net worth, but what the heck? Bitcoin is still in the upward trend. So why are you worried? You see what I'm saying? I don't see anything to worry about. Okay guys, now I'm looking at Bitcoin over a 5-day period. Okay, and I want to draw a line from this low, okay, going down to this low, going down, okay. Okay, so as you can see, I'm also going to draw a line from this high here, from this high here all the way to this high. All right, now as you can see, the trend is going down. It's slanting, meaning that in the past 5 days, Bitcoin has shown us that it's not going up, but it's going down until this line over here, until this goes up higher there. If I can have if we can have this high over here hitting this level and going up, then it means that in the short term we're going to be in the uptrend. But as far as things look like now, this high compared to the high of right now is going down. Even if Bitcoin goes up to 21,000, 22,000, it won't change anything. It's still going down until it crosses this resistance level. Okay, the moment it crosses this resistance level, then things are going to change. We're going to be like, hey, in the short term, we're going to really really be going up. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know what's going to happen. As things are right now, it's going down, 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 down. Okay, the sharks can manipulate everything, like I said before. They probably want a way to get in with more money. So they could tank this thing all the way down to even 11,000. You see what I'm saying? Okay. Because when we're looking at these charts, we look at the lows. Are the lows going up or the lows are going down? If the lows are going up, it means we're in an uptrend in the long term, as we can see. But if the lows are going down, then we are on a downtrend. If you look at this graph from, for example, a 24-hour period, you may see the lows are going down, meaning in the short term, it's a downtrend. You get what I'm saying? So basically, this is what's going on. So if someone says, hey, cryptocurrency is crashing, they're not saying the truth, because the charts, you have all seen what the chart is saying. I don't have to tell you. Okay. All right. So now, because we have to still look at these charts from 2019 when everything was started. If it still shows us that it's going up, it's an uptrend, then it's an uptrend. That's just the way it is. Until Bitcoin reaches mass adoption, whereby it stops having a correlation with the stocks, then we'll say Bitcoin has started going its own route. As things are right now, Bitcoin is being manipulated by stockholders. The majority of the money is coming from the sharks, the big hedge funds, the big companies, the insurance companies. You see what I'm saying? The banks. They are all making the money here. And you think they are sleeping because Bitcoin does not have much regulation, but they are making money. Basically, Bitcoin is doing fine. There is no problem. I know you've lost 60% of whatever, your net worth, but what the heck? Bitcoin is still in the upward trend. So why are you worried? You see what I'm saying? I don't see anything to worry about. You see what I'm saying? I really don't.